Tesserent has signed a term sheet to acquire Asta Solutions, an end-to-end IT service provider across Australia and New Zealand. Subject to a number of conditions, Tesserent will acquire Asta at a valuation of 4 times the company's EBITDA, which is estimated to be around $3.8 million. This appears to be an astute transaction for Tesserent for a number of reasons. First, the acquisition means Tesserent will now offer a more diverse range of IT solutions, as historically, Tesserent only provided one product, Internet Security as a Service, whereas Asta provides numerous IT services, including web and mobile development, cloud solutions, as well as business consulting. Secondly, Tesserent also increased the number of current as well as prospective future clients. As you would assume, the vast majority of Asta clients will transfer to Tesserent. Asta also targets a different sector in the SME space. This is of particular importance for Tesserent's CyberBiz product, which offers Internet Security as a Service to the SME sector, where we would now expect to see a significant increase in sales from existing Asta clients alone. The final and most important aspect is the significant increase in revenue Asta immediately brings to Tesserent. Whilst the announcement did not reveal Asta's revenue for the past year, we do know they generated an EBITDA of around $950,000 and have 85 employees, on the assumption that the average IT employee earns between $80,000 to $100,000 per annum, plus a 20% margin to account for rents, administration, insurance, as well as other miscellaneous expenses. We believe the combined group would have generated around $16 million in revenue last year, which, given the historical performance of both groups, as well as the points already highlighted, we believe it is likely this revenue will grow further in the years ahead. The most common technique to value companies in the sector is an earnings multiple. However, given the transaction is still to be completed and our assumptions require further confirmation, we have applied the lower end of this range for the time being. This results in an updated valuation for Tesserent of 26 cents per share. We will review our valuation once the transaction is completed and further information is released on the future revenue potential.